So I'm going to first define all of my variables. So MB is going to be mass of the ball. MS is going to be mass of the steel box. And then I'm going to divide this problem into two parts. The first part being energy to find velocity, and the second part being the collision. So in order to find the velocity of the ball right before the collision, all we have to do is set 1/2 mv squared equals to mgh, and then we can take out the two m's, so v equals to this. And then h is going to be the radius of this pendulum, so that's going to be h. So this is going to be v, and then for the collision, we're going to set up two equations. The first one being momentum. So the initial momentum is going to be the mass of the ball times this v that we found equals the mass of the ball times its new velocity plus mass of steel box times new velocity. And the energy equation is going to be, I'm going to take out the 1/2, so it's going to be mv squared equals mv squared instead of 1/2 mv squared, because it's easier. And then that's going to be mbv squared equals mbvb squared plus msvs squared. And then I know more information about the mass because I know that by ratio vs equals to 5vb. So I'm going to simplify my equations even more. I'm going to just take out the mb in all of these. I'm just going to divide everything by mv. So it's going to be v equals to vb plus 5vs. And for this one, it's going to be v squared equals vb squared plus 5vs squared. And then my question is, how am I going to find vb and vs? So now it's just algebra from here on. So given this part, I know that vb equals to v minus 5vs, and then I'm going to substitute this vb into here. So then I get this equation where here, this is number 3. V squared equals to v minus 5vs squared plus v 5vs squared. And then we're going to expand. So from here on, you could theoretically just plug into calc and solve, or you could expand. So if you expand, you get v squared equals v squared minus 10 vs plus 25 vs squared plus 5 vs squared. And then what you get is these two cancel out, and then these two combine, and this one can move to the side. So you get 10 vs equals 30 vs squared, and then let's take out this vs and this vs. So you get 10 v equals 30 vs. So the ultimate thing is vs equals to 1/3 v. And then once we know vs, we can find vb.